Hi, everyone. My name is Kim Peterson of Uniquely Savvy, and I have been thinking lately, you know, do you need to reclaim your power and activate hope in your life? Do you need to reclaim your power and activate hope in your life right now? If you answer yes, you're not alone. If we were to be honest, we would acknowledge that we're living in very trying and challenging and certain times. But the good news is we each have the ability to choose to step into our power, to step into choosing hope. And when I'm talking about hope, I'm not talking about something random, something out there, something nebulous. No, I'm talking about hope that leads to your healing, that leads to your overcoming, that leads to your possibilities and the purpose of your life and the expectancy that your best is yet to come. Do you need some hope in your life? If so, listen on, because I'm so excited to tell you about this pop-up coaching opportunity to help you build a sense of hope in your life right now, a sense of personal empowerment in your life right now, and a sense of resiliency in your life right now, both personally and professionally. Now, I want to share with you that I am the coach for the whole you. I am passionate about helping you step into your confidence, reclaim your power, step into your purpose and your potential from the inside out. You can see here that I help you speak with impact, elevate your personal style and brand, build unshakable confidence that comes from the truth, knowing who you are, not from faking it till you make it. And I help you clarify and build your vision of success that is possible even now during this global pandemic and beyond. You can create a life of purpose and meaning at work and in your own life with your families, but you just get to consciously connect to that and bring life into alignment with your vision, with your values, and with what you need right now. And what that means is, in order to do that, we have to pause. We have to have an honest, truthful conversation and gain a conscious connection to what it is that's getting in the way. What is it that's keeping you up at night? What is it that's keeping you stuck from moving forward in relationships? What is it? Is it fear? Is it anxiety? Is it overwhelm? Is it know-how? Is it that you don't feel comfortable in your own skin with what you're wearing and how you're showing up to the virtual office or beyond? What I know to be true is we are all walking out this unique season and time of challenge and change in our own ways. And what I want to do is I want to share with you how I've been working with some folks through H.O.P.E so that you can see some hope and possibilities for you. If you're struggling in some of these areas and you think that perhaps I can help you, then this coaching pop-up opportunity might really resonate for you. Let me share with you some styling and image consulting clients as well as some life coaching clients really quickly. I want to share with you a gentleman that I have had the opportunity to work with a few times over the last several years. I've also worked with some of his employees, but he needed to update and replace some of the clothes that we had gotten all those years ago, and his name has also changed. So we really looked at who is he today, what is his personal brand as an owner, as an athlete, as a leader, as a visionary. We helped to look at what his values were so that his dressing and his wardrobe would be a reflection of him from the inside. And then we created a strategy after we got in his closet, did an inventory, created a strategy of what we needed, prioritized those needs, and we headed out to shop, knowing that we would capitalize on all of the discounts that are happening right now, unfortunately, due to COVID. Here were some of the things that he had to say. tremendous value at every step of the way in this process. He said this was fun to boot. It was also productive and professional. I worked with a woman who is now just over 50, and she said, Kim, I need to get my groove back. I need to build a wardrobe with confidence that I understand my styles, what looks good for my body shape, and my colors. Some of the words that she used actually were apprehensive. She was apprehensive to move forward through the virtual style program that I have, because she said, can I really accomplish the goals? Can you really make this happen for me virtually? And she said, here, amazing results, goals fulfilled. This was priceless. She said she felt seen and heard, and she now has confidence in knowing what to buy and how to shop. We even did some online shopping, and she's loving her new purchases. Another gal, you might resonate with this. She just finished up a certification. She just got a job as a regional manager and as a registered dietitian. And so she needed a wardrobe that was practical and comfortable, that allowed her to move across her new roles. And she needed to buy pieces to mix and match to make this happen. So we did that. Part of that was done virtually. And then we were able to get together with our masks on and shop effectively and confidently to get what she needed. Another gal expanding her business and starting a blog. And so she had a photo shoot scheduled for a variety of lifestyle shoots. And she said, Kim, can you come and shop my closet and help me create outfits? I did that. And now she wants me to work with her daughters. Here's what I know to be true. Those are some styling successes, but I know that right now we're struggling internally. You might be feeling weak or overwhelmed, or gosh, just a little bit downtrodden or confused, and you need some clarity. Here are a couple of quick case studies that you might be able to relate to with this. I worked with a mom who needed to manage her whelm because she's wearing so many different hats. As you know, she's teacher, she is mom, this woman is a wife, and she also is a career professional. So she worked with me to help her really unpack what was missing for her, unpack these roadblocks that were there and the frustration that was growing and the whelm that was growing. And we looked at how to prioritize her self-care and looked at, well, what does self-care look like for her? What does she love? And how do we create easy wins? We also talked about how to create boundaries. At the end of that, she had an action plan, and she said, oh my gosh, Kim, I also took so many notes. And she's living into her new prioritized self-care, and it's beautiful to watch. Also worked with another woman who in her 60s said, you know what, I have never defined my values before. I've never thought about who I am and what my values are, what things that guide my life. I just live my life. She wanted to feel empowered, and she wanted to feel confident, and she knew that she couldn't really do that if she didn't know who she was and if she didn't really know what was important to her, because we know that values guide our decisions. Another woman is an entrepreneur, and we've worked together coaching over the last several years. She wanted to expand her business and her speaking business, but she needed clarity and she needed focus. She needed some accountability, and she needed to make sure through our coaching, she really wanted to make sure that this was all aligning underneath her umbrella brand. And the good news is it was. What I know to be true is this time of being sheltered in, this time of pandemic, racial reckoning, and more, has also poked and prodded and stirred unresolved wounds or conflict or things in our lives. So I've done a lot of coaching work around, you know, what's driving this anger, what's driving this sense of rejection or abandonment. And, you know, these issues, even if they're personal issues, they impact how you're showing up at work. And the fact of the matter is we're all getting poked, we're all getting prodded, but it's really about how do you manage through these issues and how do you unpack them for healing so that you have more confidence, not only for right now, but for your future. So we've been doing that through forgiveness work. And it's led to tremendous healing. It's been beautiful to watch. Now, here's what I want you to know. All of these clients, whether they're men, whether they're women, whether they're in business, whether we're working on styling or communication or life coaching, all of them have different goals that they're wanting to achieve, but they share something in common. And what that is they want results, and they expect results, and they appreciate, like one woman said here, the attention to detail and the ahas and the breakthroughs that are happening, right? They want confident breakthroughs, and that is what I'm honored to be able to provide. So if this is something that is sounding like, gosh, I could benefit from this too, I want you to know that this coaching is a tremendous value for right now. Now, I don't know how long it's going to last, so if this is for you, read all the information below and invest in yourself. You can buy it right now and use it at any time in the future. Here are some of the things that you're going to get as a package. You're going to walk away with a 2-hour private coaching session, whether that's styling or life coaching, recorded for your future use. You'll have an action plan with actionable steps to implement right now. You'll also have a resource list of where to go, what to buy, what to read, what to consider. Resources beyond just me, Kim Peterson, for a comprehensive approach. You'll also have a bonus PDF for how to resilience for your confident and empowered future. And you'll have a follow-up call because undoubtedly you'll still have some questions as you stepped into some newfound confidence and breakthroughs. What I know to be true is right now is a season to prioritize our healing. We cannot go forward into our future without taking care of what we need to take care of right now. Also know this to be true is there is a unique and accelerated grace for your breakthroughs, your healing, and your sense of increased confidence and empowerment. I know it because I've been witnessing it in my clients for the last several years, and it's turned up. It is turned up on a level that I have never experienced before, and I can't even explain it. But when my clients are ready and they're showing up and they're meeting me at the table, and we're able to unpack with truth and with a conscious connection to specific and targeted goals, we're able to have these breakthroughs. We're able to make inroads and achieve these results very quickly, very swiftly. So if this is something that you need and you're ready to reclaim your power and ready to activate is an word, activate hope in your life right now. Again, we're talking about your healing that leads to your overcoming, that leads to your purpose and your possibilities, that your best, and the expectancy, by the way, that your best is yet to come. Whether that's in your communication, your wardrobe, your sense of leadership, vision, your values, your life, I'd be honored to work with you. My name is Kim Peterson, the coach for the whole you. I'm championing your confident breakthroughs on the inside and out. Bye for now.